Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Director jong Northeastern Indira Gandhi Institute of Health and Medical Science, Professor Dr.Nalin Mehta, ulaong bakajing puli Dr. Kamdei Satya Kakamkai, bat Kamdei Satya Tang Banlong Dr. Lani Unong Sumar, Henry Banlong Ru Hakajuk Kapor, Kum Kita Ki Paralok, Kinong Hikai, Kinong Kedau Lenti, Kinong Sneng Ki Bastard Eki Brio Ki Bawan Sya Sumar Haki. Ya kani ute ukli adu kani grims ulakren syaki samla puli hagajingalang puli pat ba ya kami Galia Star 30 Guiding Aspirations for NEET JEE exam kabala penlong daga State Council of Science, Technology and Environment Gajala Meghalaya mentak sengi haka State Institute of Rural Development Campus kabaran hanong seder Ribhoi District. Professor Mehta ula ongru baka Jingleit puli Dr. Kamdei Satya banlong daga Pynbor jong ki Kmie ki Kaba ki bahi hasem lani ki Paralok nabakata kadai ke jingpho sniu ke jongki bat om jongki nong puli dak ba ajingmut batang kitu ki badan shisha ke jingpho sniu kathong bat ke jingkot jingmut nalade kidai ki bala banleit puli doktor habanga phai byang sha usnem sheja khanai spa praphuai hakapor kabang rang dap khan news nem karta banleit puli MBBS hakitu ki por ngimpat dadon bun ki college bat ke jingyo khun ban yo puli doktor ru kadai ke ba perking bat hadu kata-kata long Professor Nalin Mehta dak babenrap bakani ke program ke bala puli pat ba mentaka sengi kanyarap iki samla puli bakin yo ya kajing hikai bak kajing start bakin la ban yo rung bat puli doktor haki college ba pher jong kari Professor Mehta ulaban juru halo kejenan kam ban bate ya kapor haga jing puli bat ka kam sengobha dak ba ong bakitu ki samla ki badane ke jingmut baki wan hang ni nak benta ban penlong kum kajing yabam khana sengobha shibenta ki dei namarla da kila ban le sngobha arta ringkat baka jintre shitom ka bamut kila ban pun urlong ya kata jingpho sniu ka jongki ula pun shluru eki samla pulie baki de banlong ki badan jingtip shapang ki jingja ki ba manla ka sngi haka imlang ka salang nalor ka jing pulie ki jongki dak ba ong ba umkwa Satya ban yu i ki doktor nyang bam kot na baka kamram ka jongki kamdei Satya tang banlong u doktor Henry banlong ru haka juk kapor kum kita kinong ai jingmut ki Paralok kinong hikai, kinong kedau lenti, bat kinong seneng ki bastard ya ki brio ki bawan sya sumar haki. Kuman syuk kedau hang ni ke Meghalaya Star 30, kadai ke program bekerpang jong ke sorkar jela ke batmu ban ajeng hikai, bat jaka sa syaki samla puli ke jela, ki bala pendap ya ke examen kelas 12, haka line sayan, nak benta, makin pentibet ya de banyak hun, ya ke NEET, bat JEE exam, banyo let puli doktor haki college baper, jong kari, dak ba phai khmat kerpangru iki samla puli ki baduna haka yo kakot bat ki bawan na ki thain nong kendong haka ni ka sngi play pat ba ya ka ni program hanong seder lawan bane don ringkat ru dak ka SR marak director jong ka SIRD ugunan ka DB member secretary jong ka SC STE lembat kiwe de ki head officer bat ki samla puli ke jela
We have two staff room for the residential, will be residential faculty. Then we have the main classroom.
From the last when we did final this. I wait.
Kala Bimarak, Emba Langki Siang Shai, Mary Vianney Bare, Sanika Mary Kar, Etilang Suchen, Emmi Taube Didhar, Wandabyang Namesha, Langpen. Next, Tommy Shadak Manar, Sean Luke Anderson, Sayon, Pirmang Langki Talang, Akusa Bimarak.
Okay, there are a couple of things you need to know as you embark upon this journey. One, Gunanka has already asked you. If you are seriously interested in becoming doctors, stay here. If you have been forced by your parents or friends or relatives that my dream is to see my son or grandson as a doctor, their dreams are none of your business. If it is your dream, if it is your passion, if it is your voluntary wish, only then please stay here. I can go back to 1981 when I was a 17-year-old and I stepped into MBBS first year at Jipmer in Polytechnic. Those days we didn't have too many colleges and the entrance exams were very rigorous. Now here, the initiative is to provide you with that rigor. Those of you who are under the impression that you are here for a picnic, you are partly right. Because if you can have fun when you are working hard, then it becomes a picnic. Then you are realizing your dream. That having been said, there are recreational avenues that you will be exposed to. Guys, it's not enough that you are just reading and buried in your books. I do not want bookworm doctors. As the director of this institute here in Shillong, and as a faculty member at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences and a proud Indian doctor, I just want you to know that your role, once you start this journey of doing MBBS, your role is not just being a doctor. On this planet, doctors wear multiple hats. When a patient comes to you with a problem, he is looking at advice, he is looking at medical treatment, he is looking at mentorship. So you are a friend, philosopher, guide, a mentor, a teacher, a trainer, and a doctor. You are doctors because people trust you. Patients will come to you. Patients do not know you at all. So this is the only profession in which the patients will come to you, trusting you with their life. So please don't take it as a joke. This is a very serious business. And those of you who think that after Dr. Murthy told you that you have an 11-hour day, that we are in a concentration camp or this is worse than army training, some of you must have thought that. And I'm glad if you are thinking that way. But let me make your life a little more pleasant. Once you become doctors, your duty is 24/7, 365. Right? So I hope you can start practicing to be up.